So here we are at the barefootshoefinder.com. I'm going to click Take Quiz, and I'm looking for sandals for an adult. So I click Adult and size 40. There's a conversion there if you don't know how it converts to other countries. And I want them to be shipped to the United Kingdom. I have a plateau-shaped foot with long second and third toes, medium volume, average width. You can skip any questions that you don't know. And I'm going to click medium thickness. Here you can enter your email if you want to sign up for blog updates, or you can skip the question. And then here are all of the brands that have sandals in my size that ship to the UK and meet all my requirements. I can refine it further by selecting brands that ship from the UK. And then here are my results. Click on Freet, and you can see some basic information about the brand. There's a link to shop with the coupon code, and you can also click on My Review of Freet. Here are the ratings that you can find for the different foot types, sole thickness, flexibility, and the types of shoes that they have available. If you just want to browse brands without taking the quiz, you can select all brands, and then you have a whole bunch of filtering options that you can use to narrow down your results. So if I'm looking for, let's say I want vegan shoes, I can select vegan, and I'd like them to be custom made to my foot measurements. It collapsed the filtering options, and here is what I get.